welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. My name is India, and today's video I am going to do a week in my wash and go. So if you ever wondered how do I keep my wash and goes up throughout the days, how long does it last, this is the video for you. So I'm going to show you how I keep my hair up during the week, what I do, any products that I use, how I sleep with it, and all that good stuff. So if you've ever wondered how I maintain my wash and goes and how I'm able to stretch them out from anywhere to 6+ days, then definitely stay tuned. Good morning, y'all. It is super early in the morning and we are about to take this hair down. I just washed it last night. Let's see what we got. Looking pretty good. I'm gonna add a little oil. All right, so this is day one hair. No flakes, nice, juicy curls. It's moisturized. I got a lot of body. We good to go? Hey y'all, so I am actually in the office at work, womp womp womp. But yeah, I wanted to check in with you guys so you can see how day one is going. We have lots of curl definition. It's shiny. It's looking good. It has a lot of body. There's a lot of movement. So we good, y'all. Day one. Hey guys, checking in. Today is day 2. Today is Thursday, and yeah, the hair is still hairing. The curls are still popping. Still got good definition. I didn't do anything special to it this morning. That's why I'm checking in with you tonight. It is like 9:00 p.m., but it is day 2. And yeah, I didn't do anything special. I took it out of my pineapple. So I thought for today I can show you guys what I do in order to wrap my hair up. So all I do literally is put it into a pineapple. Tonight I am going to spray a little bit of this Palmer's Shine Therapy Conditioning Scalp and Hair Oil. It says that it has Jamaican black castor oil in it. I don't have to use this, but sometimes I just like to make sure I put some type of oil or something on my hair at night, because I don't know, my hair just can get drier overnight. And so I'm just gonna put a bit of oil and I'm just gonna spray it in my hands, rub it together, and really just focus on the ends. And this is a part of me trying to retain my length, because you know the weakest part of your hair is the ends. So you know you got to be kind of extra good to the ends of your hair, and they'll be good to use. So you know, sometimes put a little extra oil on them. Nothing heavy. It doesn't have to be anything heavy. This is not heavy at all. Very lightweight, and like I said, very simple. And I'm really just focusing on the ends, not even going up all the way to the top, because my focus is to give my ends just a little bit of boost. And that is it for the oil. As far as my pineapple, if y'all don't know, I literally I don't use any kind of special scrunchie or anything. I'm just gonna use this bowl. I'm gonna put my hair up. All right, so we're gonna put the hair up into this ponytail, and only wrap it once. So now we have kind of like a puff thing going on. I'm gonna grab my scarf and then wrap my hair up. Alright, so we have our little pineapple going on now, and then what I will do is just pop my bonnet on top of that, just to protect those ends that were sticking out right there. And that's it, you guys. I am off to bed. See y'all day 3. Hey y'all, today is day 4. I'm checking in. I just took my hair out of my bonnet, and then y'all know I did the same thing. I put my oil on it to give me a little shine because I am about to leave the house. Yesterday was day 3. I didn't film anything because yesterday was Friday and I did not go anywhere. I didn't leave the house. I didn't even take my scarf off, so it was really nothing to see. Like I said, today is day 4. As you can see, now I'm starting to get a little bit more frizz, but the frizz gives me volume. Still have a lot of movement, still have a whole lot of definition. My hair is super soft. So today I'm just gonna take a little bit of my gel and smooth back these edges just a tad. I'm not doing anything fancy. And I'll probably do a little bobby pin right there, like that. And y'all, that's it. It is pretty hot outside, so that's about all I'm gonna do. So this is day 4 hair, and I will see y'all on day 5. It's day 5. Today is Sunday, July the 9th. And I just got out of the shower, so let's see what this day 5 hair is giving. So I'm just gonna take off my scarf per usual. And you guys let me know, can you tell the difference since day 1? I can definitely tell that it grows, it's getting bigger. And I'm just gonna do my usual fluff. I think I always forget to show y'all the back. Let me show y'all the back. All right. So I'm actually not going anywhere right now that I know of. It's Sunday, pretty much a cleanup day, chill day for me, kind of get reset and get prepared for the week. But yeah, guys, this is what my hair is giving. I did put a little bobby pin in it yesterday. I'll put a little oil. I still have this Palmer's Shine Therapy oil. I'm just put a little bit because, like I said, I'm not really planning on going anywhere. But just to freshen it up, I'll put that bobby pin back to keep it kind of out of my face a little bit. That's all it's doing. Keeping it out of my face. Then I'll put a little bit in the back. And put a little bit in the front. And yeah, I'm sorry I'm not looking at y'all, I'm looking at the mirror, but you get the drift. All right, so I'm gonna do a full 360 for y'all so y'all can see. Get a little closer. So this is what the side is looking like. And we have the back. This is is what day 5 is giving y'all. One more day. I'll see y'all on day 6. We made it to day 6. Yay! So, you guys, I know y'all like, wait a minute, India, you don't have your hair in a pineapple. I don't, and that's because I stayed up late last night, and by the time I was ready to go to bed, I threw this bonnet on just to keep my hair off the pillow, because I don't have my satin pillowcases on, so the bonnet is what I slept in last night. So let's see the difference, and also let's see what's going on with this hair. So I'm just gonna pull my bonnet off. And this is day 6 hair. To be honest, it's actually kind of dry, which I'm expecting because I did use the extreme gel. And usually by day 6, even if I push it to day 7, it starts to dry out a bit. So this is what it's looking like, y'all. Day 6. It's giving a lot of frizz, especially up here in this area. If you can see, it's not even defined right here anymore. So to be honest, I am going to wash my hair today, so this will be the end of this wash and go. If I wanted to, I could try to refresh it if for whatever reason I needed to like push it for another day or 2. But I'm not gonna do that. Like I said, I am going to wash my hair today. So this is the end of this video. But if you made it to the end of this video and you enjoyed this kind of step-by-step, day-by-day of me going through my hair, let me know, because if I do a twist out or any other kind of natural hairstyle, then if I know you guys like these type of videos, then I can show you what I do to maintain other types of hairstyles as I get them as well. So I think that's a good idea. If you guys like that idea, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so I can see that you guys like this video, and I'll continue to do it as I do other hairstyles. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, if you love this video, if you love to see content like this, don't forget to subscribe. I thank you guys so much for your support, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.